1.8L 4-cylinder DOHC 16V VVTi, fuel efficient. Tried and true reliability. If you demand the best things in life, this terrific 2011 Toyota Prius is the one-owner car for you. When you say dependable, Toyota comes immediately to mind, and this Prius, with its precision-engineered hybrid engine, is no exception. This Prius is nicely equipped with features such as 1.8L 4-cylinder DOHC 16V VVTi, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, anti-lock brake system brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, anti-whiplash front head restraints, automatic temperature control, brake assist, bumpers, body color, CD player, delay-off headlights, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, fabric seat trim, front anti-roll bar,